Do you also own a graphic design business and want to spend less time in replying to clients and more time in designing? Then meet your AI assistant, specially built for graphic designing business, which will reply to your clients, share them your services and portfolios, also chat with them 24/7 on WhatsApp. And we can create this with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for your graphic design business, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, AI agent is created. In step 2, when a user sends a message, automatically a reply is sent to the user. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works. Welcome back to my screen, graphic designers. Now before telling you how to create an AI assistant for your graphic design business, let me give you a quick real-time example of how it works. So as on my screen, you can already see this AI assistant for graphic design business created for you. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. Here I'll write a specific sentence, that is, I need help to activate my AI assistant, and enter it. As you can see, I received this message. I am here to help you. Please let me know what you need assistance with. I'll do my best to support you. So now I'll mention my question over here. So I have entered my first question, that is, what graphic designs do you provide? And as you can see on my screen, I got the details about the graphic design services. That is logo design, brand identity design, business card, website, social media graphics, and everything which a graphic designs provide. So now I'll move forward with my second question. If just in case a user will ask about the VFX work, which is totally opposite from graphic design, automatically this reply will be sent to them. I focus on graphic designs and don't handle VFX directly. However, I can provide information about graphic designs principle and related topics. So this is how it answers. Now I'll move forward with my another question. Now I have asked about the timeline for a project. As you can see, I got the timelines for every graphic design project. Like for logo design, a few days to a week; for brand identity, several weeks; for website design, several weeks to months depending on the scope; and for social media graphics, a few days to week; and for brochures or flyers, a week or two. So this is the specific timeline which they have provided me. Now I'll move forward with my last question over here. So now I have asked for the file format for the graphic designs. You can see they have provided me with all the formats of graphic designs like JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF, PSD, and AI. So this is how a AI assistant for graphic designs work and answer all the questions of any user which they ask. Similarly, like this, you can also create a AI assistant for your graphic design business in just few easy steps. For creating a new AI assistant, firstly we have to open a new tab. Here on the search bar, we have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. It is a community where business owners and tech minds connect and share their work, solve their problems together, and grow in real support and the ideas from the like-minded people. So this is our community, and you can join it with the help of link mentioned in our description. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have two options. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we have landed on this page. Here we can see all the apps powered by Pabbly. We have to scroll down, go to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Now we are directed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here in the top right hand side corner, we can see this button, Add WhatsApp Number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can see two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly dashboard, here we have some icons. Let me tell you one by one what are they used for. First one is dashboard. Here we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Second, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from users in real time. Third one is contacts. Here we can manage contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Sixth one is broadcast. Here we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using templates. Seventh one is flows. Here we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. Eighth one is AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. We will be using this today. Ninth one is activity logs. Here we can view logs of all our recent activities and response automate replies. On 10th one, we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. 11th one is get help. Here we can access for support, resource, tutorials and customer assistant. Now let me tell you how to create an AI assistant. We have to go on this AI assistant option, click on this. Now we are directed towards this page. From this page, we'll start creating our AI assistant. Here we'll provide a knowledge base about our business business which will answer to the questions, solve problem and engage our customers. So here on the top right hand side corner we can see this Add AI Assistant button. We'll click on this and now they're asking me to give a name for my AI assistant. So I'll give it a name of AI Assistant for your graphic design business and click on this Add AI Assistant button. Now we have landed on this page. Here on the right hand side we can see this message box for our WhatsApp. Also our name is written over here in the top. Now coming to the left hand side of our page, here we have several features for design and styling our message box. So firstly we'll move forward with AI instruction. Here in the first box we are asked for selecting instruction type. So we'll click on this drop down button over here and select AI agent as we are creating an AI assistant. And as you can see, automatically it have fetched the instruction. If you want, you can change and customize these instruction as per your choice and as per your need. But I want to keep it simple, so I'll just simply move forward. Now we have this option of AI configuration. Here we have to set the temperature for our answers. Here 0 means more focused answer and 1 means more creative answer. So I want to give more focused answer to my users, so I'll select 0.4 like this. Now they're asking to select the AI to use, so I'll simply click on this drop down again and choose this OpenAI option from here. Now they're asking for choosing the model, so we'll again click on this drop down button and select GPT-4o mini like this. Now next up we have to enter a API token. To generate an API token, we simply have to click on this blue text over here, OpenAI API's key page like this. As you can see, we have landed on this page. Here we'll generate a secret key. So here on our top right hand side corner we have to click on this create new secret key button like this, enter the name of our AI assistant, and for the project we have to keep it default and click on this create secret key button. So like this, as you can see, I have generated my API secret key. Now I'll copy it from here and paste it in my AI assistant. So like this, we have to paste it here and click on this connect button. As you can see, open key saved successfully is done. Now we'll move forward with our AI assistant settings. Here we can see several options like header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt and fallback message. To enable any of these on, we have to toggle this button on and enter our message over here. But I want to keep it same. I'll simply move forward and here as you can see this fallback message. If you want to customize or modify your fallback message, you can do it too. Now moving forward, we'll add a knowledge base for our AI assistant. Here we have to click on knowledge source and here we have to upload our file for the knowledge base. But do remember the file have to be lesser than 90 MB and the format have to be .txt. Now I'll browse my file from here, select my file and like this it is successfully been updated over here in txt format. Now I'll move forward designing my AI assistant. So for that I'll click on this assistant interface like this and here the first option is for header display heading name, which will be shown here in my message box as the header. So I'll give the header name of my business over here. As you can see, I have written graphic design business, also have added the emoji. Same here as we can see in this message box header. Now moving forward with header display subheading name, which is shown below the header. Here by default it is we are online and happy to assist you. If you want, you can also add a header display subheading name of your own, but I want to keep it same, so I'll simply move forward. Coming to this initial message. Here the initial message by default is hi there, how can I help you? If you want to add any other initial message, you have to simply type it and enter it. So like this, your initial message of your choice will be added over here, but I want to keep hi there only option, so I'll simply move forward. Now coming to the powered by Pabbly label option. Here if you want to keep the powered by Pabbly label, you simply have to leave it enabled, but if you want to remove it, you have to click on this button and select this option of disable. As you can see, it is removed from the bottom. Now coming to the footer text of privacy policy. Here as you can see in the blue text, here we have written privacy policy. As soon as a user will click on this, automatically they will be redirected towards the link mentioned over here for footer link. If you want to remove it, you can simply just remove it like this, and as you can see it is being removed from here, but I want to keep it same, so I'll simply keep it again like this. Now coming to the very important aspect of AI assistant, that is user first message, as this message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. So if you want, you can also change it and modify it, but I want to keep it simple, so I'll simply keep it as I need help. Now moving forward to styling our AI assistant. For that we have to click on the styling option over here, and now here we can see different colors and themes. So for the first one we have theme mode. Here we can select light theme or dark theme like this. Now we have assistant shape. Here you can change the shape for your assistant as well, like square, rounded square and circle. Now we have color options as well. Here we have assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color, primary chat bubble text, footer background color and footer text color. So if you want to change any of the color, you can select your color palette from here. Now moving forward to header profile picture. Here you can upload a profile picture of your choice which will be displayed
here on this logo. Also, we have the feature for assistant profile picture, which will be uploaded here in our assistant profile. Now like this, as you can see, we have successfully designed and styled our AI assistant. Now we have to toggle this button on to activate it and save our AI assistant like this. As you can see, my AI assistant saved successfully. Now let me tell you how to embed this in your WhatsApp. So for that, you have to move to the left hand side of our screen and click on this inbox button over here. Now here, as you can see, we have landed in my inbox. Here on the right hand side corner, we have this option choose AI assistant. You have to toggle this button on. Now we have to choose our AI assistant, like AI assistant for your graphic design business, and we have to save it. Now like this, AI assistant embedded successfully is done. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works again. As you can see, I have entered my initial first message like this. Now as you can see, I again got the I am ready to assist you message. Now I'll mention my question over here. As you can see, I have asked about the graphic designing cost, and here as you can see, they have sent me the full cost of the graphic designing services. Now I'll move forward and ask one more question over here. So now I have asked about the best graphic designing apps over here, and like this, they have given me the full list of the best graphic designing apps like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Canva, Sketch, etc. So similarly like this, if you also own a graphic design business, you can create the same AI assistant for your business and help your user to know all the information. I hope this video was informative.
To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.